Welcome to Angel Wings Productions.
Well, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. I am Uzmann, your culinary chef, and today, the complete meal. A rustic ragu experienced the main event. Smoked sausage ragu over herbed rice. For the ragu, serves for asterisk sausage. 1 pound, about 450 grams. High quality smoked sausage, preferably andouille or a good Polish kielbasa, sliced into 1 divided by 2-inch rounds. Asterisk the trinity. Asterisk 1 large yellow onion, diced times 1 red bell pepper, diced times 1 green bell pepper, diced times 2 celery stalks, finely diced, asterisk aromatics, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, minced, asterisk the sauce foundation, asterisk 2 tablespoons olive oil if your sausage isn't very fatty, times 2 tablespoons tomato paste, asterisk 1 divided by 2 cup dry white wine, like a Sauvignon Blanc, or chicken broth times 114.5 ounces. Can fire roasted diced tomatoes, undrained times 1.5 cups. Chicken or beef stock, asterisk. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika times 1 divided by 2. Teaspoon dried thyme times 1. Bay leaf times 1. Tablespoon Worcestershire sauce times salt, and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. Asterisk. A pinch of cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes, optional, for heat, times garnish. Freshly chopped flat leaf parsley. Instructions. Asterisk render and sear. Heat a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add the sliced sausage and cook, stirring occasionally, until it's nicely browned and has rendered some of its fat, about 5 to 7 minutes. Using a slotted spoon, remove the sausage and set it aside. Do not wipe out the pot. Asterisk. Build the base. Reduce the heat to medium. There should be 2 to 3 tablespoons of rendered fat in the pot. If not, add a bit of olive oil. Add the diced onion, bell peppers, and celery. Sauté, stirring occasionally until softened and lightly caramelized, about 8 to 10 minutes. This slow cooking builds sweetness. Asterisk. Bloom the aromatics. Add the minced garlic and tomato paste to the pot. Cook for another 2 minutes, stirring constantly. This step toasts the garlic and deepens the flavor of the tomato paste, removing its raw taste. Asterisk. Deglaze and create. Pour in the white wine or broth to deglaze. As it sizzles, use a wooden spoon to scrape all the brown bits, fond, from the bottom of the pot. Let the wine reduce by about half. Asterisk. Simmer the symphony. Stir in the fire roasted tomatoes, stock, smoked paprika, thyme, bay leaf, Worcestershire sauce, and the cooked sausage. Bring the mixture to a lively simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it stew for at least 20 to 25 minutes for the flavors to meld beautifully. The longer it simmers, the better it gets. Asterisk. Finish. Remove the bay leaf. Taste the ragu and season generously with salt and pepper, and add a pinch of cayenne if you desire more warmth. The supporting cast, the canvas. Herb butter rice plain. Rice is fine, but this sauce deserves a better canvas. Asterisk. 1.5 cups long, grain white rice, like jasmine, rinsed. Asterisk. 2.75 cups. Chicken or vegetable broth times 2 tablespoons. Unsalted butter times 1 bay leaf times 1 divided by 4 cup. Chopped fresh parsley and divided by or chives. Combine rinsed rice, broth, butter, and the bay leaf in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, then immediately reduce heat to the lowest setting, cover, and cook for 15 to 18 minutes. Remove from heat and let it steam, covered, for 10 minutes. Fluff with a fork, remove the bay leaf, and stir in the fresh herbs before serving. The green counterpoint, skillet, charred green beans. Every rich meal needs a touch of green to brighten the palate. Asterisk 1 pound fresh green beans, trimmed times 1 tablespoon olive oil. Asterisk zest of 1 lemon times. Flaky sea salt. Heat the oil in a large skillet over high heat until it shimmers. Add the green beans in a single layer. Let them cook, without moving, for 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to blister and char in spots. Then, toss and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until crisp tender. Remove from heat, toss with the lemon zest and a generous pinch of flaky sea salt. The finale, plating and pairing ladle a generous bed of the herb rice onto a warm, shallow bowl. Spoon the rich sausage and pepper ragu over the top, making sure plenty of that special gravy coats the rice. Garnish with a final flourish of fresh parsley. Serve the charred green beans on the side. For a drink, this meal calls for something robust. A cold amber ale or a glass of Zinfandel would be a perfect companion. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Help out the algorithm. At this time, we would like to say, God bless, and may God bless all of His people, no matter where they are.